How to turn off safe mode on Samsung Android phone. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.
But anyways, getting into it, there's three different ways that we could go ahead and do this. So the first one is going over to the power menu restart, which is also the fastest way. So what you want to do is swipe down your finger on the top right of your screen. This is going to show your control panel. Now, once you're here, all you got to do is press the power icon, which is at the very top. Once you go ahead and click on that, you can just power off or restart, and that's going to get you out of safe mode. Now, what you could also do is once you're gone ahead and done with that, your phone's going to reboot and it's going to go in safe mode after you restart it. What you could also do is on the left side of your screen, go ahead and swipe down and you're going to see safe mode is on, as you can see right there. Go ahead and click on it and it's going to say tap here to turn off safe mode. So what I could do is just also go ahead and click on that, and then safe mode is also going to be gone out of there as well. Now, the final method is going over and pressing your power button, holding that down and your volume down button for 7 to 10 seconds, and then release, keep holding until the screen goes black and the manufacturer logo appears, and then your phone's going to basically just do a forced restart and safe mode is going to go as well.